good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Working Bank Aspirant. If anybody are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And one important information I need to provide to you all. So I have been uploading all the videos regarding pre-examination training of SBI Clerk, which is happening in the month of January 2025, and the prelims examination dates all are already out. It is from Feb 22nd. So please go and check the short which have been uploaded by regarding exam dates if you are not yet known or if you not yet seen that video. And also the people who are not seen all the pre-examination training videos, please go and check all the pre-examination training videos and study materials which have been provided in my Telegram channel. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, I'll provide link in my description box uh, to join Telegram channel. Okay, there you will get all study materials regarding SBI Clerk pre-examination training of last year and this year. 2 year pre-examination training materials has been already been provided in the Telegram channel. Please don't forget to verify or don't forget to check that study materials. And also one more most important information I need to provide you all. If anybody are not yet seen or not yet log in for pre-examination training who are eligible, I'm clearly mentioning that who are eligible, please go and log in because till today, which is 7th of February, you can access study materials. And if anybody are not eligible, I'm already providing for them. And if some people are having issues with the login, so some people are saying till 30 only I'm able to see the study materials. No, here clearly we are having the study materials till 31st. Okay, there are 5 days the pre-examination training is going to happen for the SBI. Previous video till 30 only have been given because at that time when I have logged in, only 3 days study materials they have been provided. But now this is the final pre-examination training has already been ended. So that is the reason I have been logged in. Till 7th we can access this portal and this study materials of pre-examination trainings of SBI Clerk. After that we are not able to access these materials. If anybody want, please go and join my Telegram channel. And if anybody want to log in, please log in till today, by today, and you can access these materials. Okay, the day the pre-examination training has been started on 27th, it has been ended on 31st, and the doubt clearing session has been uh, conducted on 29th, which starts from 29th. Okay, anybody have been clicked on the doubt clearing session, they might be attended, but I have not attended the doubt clearing section because I am clear about this. So that is the reason. uh, Okay, guys, this is the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 study materials. Explanations have been already uploaded in my Telegram channel, and also PDFs are uploaded in my sorry, videos are uploaded in my YouTube channel, and PDFs are uploaded in my Telegram channel. Go and visit. Okay, thank you. And this is most important and crucial time, guys. Hardly uh, 15 to 20, 15 days are left. So please do hard work, and please try to uh, give mocks as much as possible. There are free mocks are available. This is not sponsored, guys. There are free mocks are available which I am attending. So that is the reason I am suggesting for you all. On Monday or Tuesday, I think practice mock live mock is available. Olive Ball live mock is are available, and Smart Kid is providing live mocks, and textbook there are some free sectional, and also overall sectional, and also overall mock test is also available free. These are free of cost. There is no need to purchase. So all these five portals or three portals which are providing free live test, so please don't miss to attend this live test, because if you are seriously preparing, if you want to get a clerical job and to be an independent person, please utilize this opportunity. And also please comment me in the comment section, guys. I have already purchased guidely PDF bundle course. If anybody want PDFs, which is free of cost, I am not even sponsoring anything, and I am not even uh, mentioning about the cost or anything. Just I'll provide free. So I'll just provide the PDFs which are I'm preparing on the portal for a exam wise PDF bundle, and also section wise PDF bundle. I'm currently using that. If anybody want that guidely bundle PDFs, if you want to practice, if you are not affordable to buy that, please comment me in the comment section, because I know the situation of all the people, because I'm in that previously I'm in that situation that I'm unable to buy a bundle course or mock test. But now, as I am a working in IT company, at least I'm earning, so I'm able to purchase independently. So I know the feel how and the situation is. So please don't worry, please feel free to comment me in the comment section. Definitely, if anybody will comment in the comment section, I'll provide the study materials in the Telegram channel itself. Okay, I'll not provide separately for anyone. If one person also commented in the comment section about the PDFs, if you want exam wise PDFs of the prelims level, I'm at least for some days, not for 50 days, so at least I'll take some time and I'll provide you the study materials with free of cost. Please let me know your concerns and your comments. Okay, guys, and thank you. Please utilize the opportunity, and also please do hard work and give your best and make your parents proud and be an independent person. That's it, guys, and thank you. And if anybody want any information regarding anything, please comment me in the comment section. I'll make a video on that. And thank you, guys.